3 years ago, when the district decided to join the Strategic Energy Management Program, we set a goal to reduce energy across the district by 5%. And most of the work that we've done here at Juniper thus far has really driven that goal and reached our 5% just in this building alone.
When we think about energy management, it's really about sort of a long game. It's small wins, and they definitely add up to great successes. You know, we're looking at a whole system, and you can't just change one thing out and think that's doing enough for energy efficiency. There's a lot of smaller things that have to be done and tweaked over time continuously to really make an impact.
At Juniper alone, in the last 3 years, we've saved enough energy to power 20 homes for a year and saved enough gas to heat 50 homes for a year.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a scavenger hunt trying to find these issues. We just started looking, watching it, seeing what it was doing, and then going tracking backwards to find a solution.
I would say we're doing better about controlling the temperatures more precisely, such as the indoor natatorium. In the past, we'd had wide temperature variations where it would be hot and then colder, and we get a lot of complaints. But through the control work, now we are able to steady that so it's more constant temperature.
Ben and Jonathan have been super flexible. If they needed to come in and turn something off that was really going to impact the user experience, they've come in on the weekend, they've come in on a Sunday, they've done smoke tests to see how air handlers are working properly, even on a holiday weekend where we might be closed a little bit earlier. They come in, they're in the building a lot. Ben and Jonathan really deserve our praise for the advances we've made in sustainability here at Juniper Swim and Fitness Center.
The mechanical systems, the computer systems that make them all work together, the air handling system, they all have a lot of complexity involved that most of the patrons don't even need to know about because we have experts who are working on it every day.